Hello my dear students, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to tell you how to join Microsoft Teams app with the help of given user ID and password by your school. So first you make sure that you have got your user ID and password, and you must have installed Microsoft Teams app in your mobile phone. Okay, so this app you can get it easily whether you are using Android or iOS phone. You can get it easily from Play Store or App Store. So first what you need to do, you have to just tap it, and when you tap it, when you open this app, you will see this page, and in this page you have to put your email, means the user ID that you have got from your school. So I have saved that email in one of the page, so I'll just copy it down from here. Yeah, make sure that user ID that you are putting in, okay, it is little bit lengthy, so try to avoid any typing mistake, otherwise it will not make you sign in. So when you put your email ID there and put sign in, it will take you to the page where you have to put your password. So the password you might have got along with your user ID, so I am just copying down it. You will be having your unique ID, user ID and password, so you have to put it there. So put your password here and press sign in. After pressing to sign in, it will take you to the page where you have to reset your password. Get it very clear, it's quite important. Here you have to reset your password that has been given to you by the school. Okay, so first you need to do that, you have to put your current password that has been given to you, okay, that I have put it here, and after that you have to put your new password and confirm the password, means you have to put your new password twice, yeah, in both the columns. But do remember one thing, while mentioning your password, do not use your display or username in this password, otherwise Microsoft is not gonna accept it. Okay, get it very clear that you should not use your username. Suppose my name is Akars, so I cannot use my name Akars in this password. If I use it, so it will not accept it. So I'll use some different kind of name, like I will use some different name. Let's see what happens. Now it has accepted. Yeah, so do remember you have to use your different ID and password. So once you sign in, you will see this page opening, and when it opens, if you are added to any of the class, okay, if you are added to any of the class, okay, you can able to access that. So here, like from my teacher's account, I have added myself. So here it is showing that Akars added you to 9B. So I am added to 9B, so I can able to access 9B. So there is no post in 9B school class right now, so there is no need to worry. So once I'll get the assignment, I can see the post here on this screen. Okay, whatever the files that have been assigned to us, we can access the files like PDFs and docs, whatever has been assigned to us, so that we can find here in this column, files and more. You can see class notebook, grades, notes and assignment. These are the things that you can access from here. So these are the things in general you can see. Okay, so that's all about the things, like you can chat with your teacher personally. You can see the Teams. In Teams you can see the five hidden channels are there, like English, Hindi, Math, Science and Social Science. See where you have to put your, first you have to open Teams. In Teams you will see 9th B, that is your class where you are added, and you can also see the hidden channels. Okay, so in these channels you can see the subject wise these channels are there. So you can open the particular channel to access the particular subject, like English. If you open it, so you'll see the files over English subject. Okay, and it's quite better we can compare in comparison to Google Classroom, where because here you can access the particular subject. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या होगा कि साइंस मैथ्स का फाइल मिक्सअप नहीं होगा. Is it clear? So here you can access the particular subject. Now this part is of assignment. Here you can find your assignments easily. Whatever the assignments that have been assigned to you, you can just find it here. And now more it is for the calls and files and all, camera, so many things are there, so don't bother about it. The more you use it, the more you learn it. Okay, so that's all about the video. I think that it is clear to you how to sign in and all.